Alright, as you can see, we're here at my favorite riding spot, Tannery Knobs in Johnson City, Tennessee. I want to do a quick ride around the easy trail today, the green trail, and I'm going to title this video something to do with easy riders. I'm going to try and go to 3 parks today and ride the easiest trails on each one. We'll try and make you a little map of the workout, and we'll give a better idea of what you could be riding on. So hang loose, let's go for a little ride. It's hot out here today. I ride my new Trek Remedy 8. Getting used to it. It's one heck of a nice bike. Not going to go too fast. I want you to get a good idea. The downhill will roll you pretty fast. It's got a few, I call them jumpers, because if I'm not careful, I'll jump. But it's a beautiful place to come out and ride and learn how to ride, really. It's helped me a lot, but of course, the more you ride something, the better you get with it. I can ride this course, and I rode it in 3 minutes flat the other day. One of the guys I work with, he timed us from start to finish. And that was on this new bike. I've not done a review on it yet, but I'm going to. Full suspension. It's awesome. It beats the heck out of my other bike. I had a 29er. This is a 27 and a half. Full suspension. You can adjust just about everything. That was a nice little ride, but you can see the downhill parts can go pretty fast. I've had children pass me on this trail, so it's meant for everybody. I hate when kids pass me, but it's part of it. It's part of getting better. It's more physical for me, wanting to get out and try to stay off my couch. I don't ride like a lot of my dedicated rider friends are. They ride all the time, and man, they ride some killer courses. I can't keep up with them now. Came back here last week, and a lot of the weeds were overgrown, and some of the thorns ripped their arms open. It wasn't terrible. It's not like it really ripped them, but they cut us, that's for sure. Now normally riding a bike, you'd hear a heck of a lot more breathing. Of course, my breathing's a little elevated right now, but normally I can't carry on a conversation. Not too many riders out today. I like it like that because I hate for someone to have to pass me. I just hate having to, or being in someone's way. Here's where it gets me tired. Right here is about the longest uphill you have on this green trail. I'll put the name of the green trail up right here, and you'll know what to look for if you come out to Tannery Knobs. It's well worth the trip. And there you go. I think it's like 0.8 of a mile. So it's nothing that's gonna kill you. And look there, we made it. Right back where we began. Let's get up here and get our map my ride out and call this ride done. Hold to finish. I don't know if you can see that, but we got her done. Off to the next place. While we're headed that way, I'm looking for subscribers. You can help my website out or channel out. Just trying to get better. I've got more than amateur bike adventures. I've got car show quickies, walk around cars. I give a minute and a half short video just walking around it. But we're back here to Silver Bullet. See you at the next part. All right, we're ready for the second part of this video. We're at Wing Deer Park. As you can see, we're going to go for the short ride. So let's get my mileometer out here and let's get her started. Now this course has a few more bumps, has a few more bruise areas, but I think we can make it through it. It's going to have a few more little small berms. That's where else I need a lot of work done on my riding, is riding berms. But this course is not the easiest. It's just on this side of the course. They don't really have a map telling you where everything is, like Tannery Knobs. How I wish they would. It's a beautiful course too, for starters. See what I mean? We got a few more switchbacks, little berms, a little more bumpy areas. Bumpity, as my buddy Dusty would say. It's a beautiful ride out here. Yeah, I'm leaving. If you saw the deck I was working on for the last couple of days. All the squatting. I don't want soaking wet. But as you can see, this course has a lot more curves and little uphills. The tannery knobs, they can hook you up and spit you out. Just so can this place. Winged Deer's got a lot of good trails. They don't have a map like tannery knobs to tell you where trails are. Whoops. Busted boys on that one. But they got a new trail out here. Don't know how to get to it. That was easy. Let's go back to the Silver Bullet, load up, and see where we can end up for part 3. Look at that. See, that ride was shorter than. All right, we're here for our 3rd and final installment of the Ezryderz edition. I'm gonna ride on down here. We're at Warriors Path State Park in Kingsport, Tennessee. We're gonna see what we can do back here. I'm gonna ride down to the trailhead, and then I'll start our little map ride so you can see the exact distance. This is not my favorite of the 3. This is my least favorite of the 3. It's low impact, but it's just switchbacks after switchbacks. I guess you'd call it that. Me not being a pro rider, it's just my opinion of what they are. But you can make that choice up for me. Let me know in the comments. All right. Looks a lot different back here for some reason. All right. All right. I don't know where in the hell I'm at. Ain't that some shit? I swear. Don't know where I'm going. I think I want to back up and see if I did something wrong, because this sure don't feel right to what I'm accustomed to. But I've only been down here 2 or 3 times, and normally I drove up to a sign right up here, unless someone took it down. Something's definitely different. Oh, how about that? I drove right by it. Now I know where I'm at. All right, there's the trailhead. And just get my phone out and see if we can map this ride. Start workout. There you go. There we go. I didn't ask you to speak. So let's cut all this down. Cut all this off. We're not going to travel far, but I don't want her talking to me, and she might distract me. As you can see, I'm easily distracted. Now we're headed back to the what I guess is the easiest one back here, if there's even a marking for this trail. Yeah, there it is. We're going to hang a right. It's nice back here. It's cool right now. We've had a rain come through today while I was riding in Johnson City. finding a few spider webs in here. Managed to keep my breath in here. Hey, can't even keep to the trail. What the hell? Damn, spider webs left and right. I love the low gears on this Trek Remedy 8. I guess you could say I finally got the remedy for my hard breathing, but I've not been up or down a serious trail yet to find out. Starting to get the breathing. Brick. Humid as hell back here. Damn spider webs. They are everywhere. If only you had the guy I work with, G-Man out here, he'd take care of stuff that's in my way. Ooh. Well, G-Man, you're running off the trail, brother. All right. See if I can ride over there. Oop. All right, we're about out of this little tight turns. Hey, surely to goodness. Nope. They've got some really huge trails out here. I've got a video where I thought I'd never see the light of day again, but I made it. There's another biker come along, so I appreciated signs of life. And that's it for that trail. Let's ride back up to the truck. Get the hell out of these frickin' spider webs. If you made it this far to the last part, I sure do appreciate you. Remember to like and subscribe. Let's call it a day.